Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Boo!
Oh, googly bear!
And it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
Please make sure your little one is under that lap bar sitting down, please. All the way down. Thank you.
I thought you cared about me.
Celia, trying to understand.
Come on, this way.
We have 2319 in progress. Unit, get position. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
I have our paperwork, number one.
Well, I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Done here too?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Snow cone? Oh, no. It's lemon.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately... Number one wants you humans be contaminated. Shut out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and
Young man, in the second row. Do you have your paperwork? Hello, humans. Young man, in the second row. Did you finish your paperwork? Uh-oh. That'll cost